Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn some applications of trigonometry together, step by step. Trigonometry lets us measure heights and distances we can't reach directly, like the height of a tower. The key tools are the angles of elevation and depression. When you look up at the top of an object, the angle your line of sight makes with the horizontal is the angle of elevation. When you look down, it's the angle of depression. The recipe is always the same. Sketch the right triangle, mark the angle and the side you know, choose the trig ratio that links the known and the unknown, then solve. From 30 meters away, the angle of elevation to a tower's top is 30 degrees. Tangent 30 equals height over 30. Since tangent 30 is 1 over root 3, the height is 30 over root 3, which simplifies to 10 root 3 meters. If the angle of elevation is 45 degrees from 20 meters, tangent 45 equals height over 20. Tangent 45 is 1, so the height equals the distance, 20 meters. To recap, elevation is looking up, depression looking down. Sketch the right triangle. Pick the ratio that connects what you know to what you want, and solve. With practice, these become quick. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.